Understanding the phrase, birds on the move. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, birds on the move. This phrase isn't just about birds. It's a metaphor that's used in various contexts. Let's dive in and discover its meaning and usage. The phrase, birds on the move, literally refers to birds that are in motion or migrating. Birds often migrate seasonally, and this movement is a natural phenomenon. It's important to understand this literal meaning to grasp the metaphorical uses of the phrase. Metaphorically, birds on the move can signify people or things undergoing a transition or change. It implies a journey or a shift from one state to another. This could refer to people changing jobs, moving to a new place, or any significant life change. Let's look at how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. With all the students graduating and starting new jobs, it feels like there are a lot of birds on the move at the university. 2. The company's relocation means we're all birds on the move next month. Other expressions with similar meanings include, on the wing. This also can refer to something in motion or undergoing change. In transit, typically used for people or goods moving from one place to another. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, birds on the move, confidently. Whether you're talking about literal birds or metaphorical changes, this phrase adds color and depth to your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.